Hello all, this is Kirtana, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today I am here to present a design thinking concept on the subject statistics for social research. First we can see what is statistics. So statistics in social research refers to the application of quantitative methods to collect, organize, analyze, and interpret data related to human behavior, societal trends, and policy outcomes. It helps researchers to make informed decisions, test hypotheses, and establish relationship between variables. Statistical tools such as measures of central tendency, variability, correlation, regression are commonly used to study complex social problems. So in before videos we have seen that what is statistics. So statistics is the process of collecting the overall data which is in quantitative methods to collect, organize, analyze, and interpret data to human behavior, societal trends, and policy outcomes. So statistics is not only based only on mathematics, it also involves with human behavior, economists, researchers. So everyone can use the statistics. So also it helps to make an informed decisions, also to test the hypothesis. So in before lecture series we have seen what is hypothesis. So hypothesis is the prediction. So researchers can make an informed decision, they can predict and establish the relationship between the variables. So, first we can see what is design thinking. Design thinking is a creative, iterative, and human centered approach that helps the social researchers tackle complex societal problems. So, when integrated with statistics, it empowers researchers to understand social problems deeply, generate solutions based on community needs, and validate them with data. This combination ensures that research is not only evidence but also empathetic and impactful. So already we have known design thinking is an iterative and creative human centered approach which gives uh, innovative solutions to an societal issues. So it is while it is in integrating with statistics, it empowers researchers to understand the social problems deeply, to generate solutions based on community needs, validate them with data. So in design thinking already we know that we have five stages. So design thinking have five stages. First one is empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So it provides a clear pathway for applying statistical tools to real world social problems. So we all know that empathize. So empathize in the sense understanding the people needs. So in that researchers can begin by immersing themselves in the social environment through interview, focus groups, and observation. So empathize in the sense understanding the people need. So next one is define, framing the right research problem. So first we have analyzed what is the issue. Next we have to find out the research problem, find out the issue. So in this if example, if a person is if a researcher is analyzing about unemployment, for example, so he defined that unemployment among urban youth aged 18 to 25 is linked to lack of digital skills. So actually this is the problem. First a researcher concentrated on people need, why the people are being an unemployed for the past years. So next he got an idea while discussing with the interviews or a focus groups and also a peoples. So next third one is ideate. Ideate in the sense generating data driven hypothesis. Hypothesis in the sense we have seen it is a prediction. So that is brainstorming possible solutions or causes of the problem. So why the problem was caused, or what will be the possible solution we can give. So for example, if first initially a researcher find out the problem as 18 to 25 age gap peoples are not employed because of digital lack of digital skills. So for that what idea they can give us, youth who complete digital literacy programs are more likely to get jobs. So this is the possible solution, which is those who don't know digital literacy programs or digital skills, the youth who complete their digital literacy programs, they are getting their jobs. Next is prototype. Prototype in the sense designing the research tools. So researchers design tools like survey, questionnaire, sampling methods to collect the data. So where we have collecting the data and what are the sources of data are to be a prototype. Next is test. After collecting the data, we have to analyze the data and validate the data with true to the acknowledgement. So statistical methods like correlation, F test, regression, chi-square or the important methods will be used to effectiveness of the ideas or interventions to be implemented. So first step we have seen is empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. So these are the five stages. Also in empathize time, only the researcher will just analyze what is the problem. So while coming to define, he can finally find out the problem, and while coming to ideate, he have some solutions. While coming to prototype, what are the methods can be used to solve this issue? And while coming to test, we can finally analyze the data and validate the data to the true acknowledgement, and we can proceed with our solutions. So in upcoming video, so continuation of this video, students will also explain the design thinking concept on statistics for social research. Hope this session was useful. Thank you.
Pursuing my bachelor's degree in commerce in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I here to do a presentation about design thinking. There are 5 steps in design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. I'd like to introduce my team members. They are Nityashri, Kirba, Kavya, Harini. They are going to explain about those topics about design thinking. Let's start.
Empathize. Empathize is the first step in the design thinking process. It means getting a deep understanding of the people you are designing for by connecting with their experience, feelings, and challenges. Instead of assuming what they need, you observe and listen carefully to them. This allows you to understand their perspective fluctuation and deserve, so you can create a solution that truly helps them. For example, if you are designing a new app for elderly people, you would spend time with them, ask about their daily life, observe how they use technology, and understand their specific struggles. This will help you create a app that meets their real needs, not just what you think they want. Thank you. Define. Define is the second step in the design thinking process. It means to create state the main problem based on what you learned during the empathize step. You take all the information you gather about the user's needs, challenges, and feelings and through it into a clear problem statement. This step helps you focus on the real issues so your idea is solution and effective and useful. For example, after taking to students empathize, you find out they are stressed because they can't manage their time. Thank you. Ideate. Ideate is the third step in the design thinking process. It means to generate a wide range of creative ideas to solve the problem you define. In this step, you use brainstorming and mind mapping or other technique to think freely and come up with as many solutions as possible without judging if they are perfect or not. The goal is to explore different possibilities and think outside the box so you can later choose the best idea to develop further. For example, in the problem, a student can't manage their time well. Ideate solution might include a task reminder app, a daily planner notes, a smart alarm that gives schedule tips. Thank you. Prototype. Prototype is fourth step in the design thinking process. It means to build a simple early version of your idea so you can show how it works and test it. A prototype can be a stitch, model app, mock-up, or even a role play. It doesn't need to be perfect or final. The goal is to turn your idea into something real and testable so others can see it, try it, and give feedback. For example, if your idea is task reminder app for students, your prototype could be a paper drawing of the app screen, a clickable mock-up made using tools like Figma or Canva, a short demo video showing how it's done. Test is the fifth and final step in the design thinking process. It means to try your prototype with real users to see how will it solve their problem. You watch how people use it, ask for their options and listen to their feedback. The process of testing is to find out what works, what doesn't, and how to improve your solution before creating the final version. For example, you give your task reminder app prototype to, to a few students. They try it and say it's helpful, but the reminders need sound how you know what to improve. Thank you.